Hello class 6. In our last class, we have started part 3 of chapter 9, that is the commands and statements of QBasic language. So in today's class, we are going to discuss the print statement. What is the print statement of QBasic? The print statement is used to display any data, value or message on the screen. Print statement is used to display any data, value or message on the screen. Okay. So in our QBasic program, whenever want to display anything, want to print any values or message output of the program, we use the print statement. Print statement can be used different ways in our program. First, print statement without variables. When we want to display only messages in a program, we use print statement without variables. We don't add any variables. Without variables, directly we print the message like print welcome, print to, print Don Bosco Academy, print Makruski-Ganj. So let us type these programs in QBasic and check the output, how it comes. So we type the QBasic program in the QB64, which is the QBasic. So in this, type the program CLS. Next is the print statement, print welcome. Again print to, print Don Bosco Academy, print Makruski-Ganj. Makruski-Ganj, end of the program. Now, yesterday I have taught you to run the program, you can use the function key F5. So press function key F5 and see the output. And here the output comes. Yes, see, this is the output screen. This is the first screen for type the program. This is second screen. Welcome to Don Bosco Academy. Alright, so this way we type the programs in the QBasic. Now next is print statement with variables. When we want to print a number of data items in a program, more than one values in a program, separate them using commas sign or semicolon sign. So when we want to print a number of data items in a program, we have to separate them using commas or semicolons. Like print ABC, there are how many data items? 3 data items, A, B, C. So when we use the comma, the output will be zone wise. There will be sufficient gap in between. When we use the semicolon, print A semicolon B semicolon C, the output will be together without gap. So we can print statement can be used with the variables. Okay. Now first one, print statement with comma. When we use the comma in the print statement, then output is done zone wise. So when we use a comma along with the print statement, all the data items are displayed on the output screen in different zones. So the gap between two zones are about 14 to 15 space. Okay, between two zones. So output is printed in the first zone, second zone, third zone, fourth zone. Like CLS, let A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to 30, sum equal to A plus B plus C, print A comma B comma C comma S. So see, the value of A will be printed in the first zone, B will be printed in the second zone, C will be printed in the third zone, and sum will be printed in the fourth zone. So I'll show you this output in the QBasic by executing this program. So let us type the program in QBasic. Open QBasic first. Now type the program CLS. Suppose A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to 30. Writing the word let is optional. S equal to A plus B plus C. Now print A comma, B, comma, C, comma, S, and end of the program. Okay, so what we have used in this, we have used the comma. Print statement is used with the comma. So what will happen? The output will come zone wise. The press F5. Now the see the output. The A is printed in the first zone, which is 10. Value of A is 10. B value is 20. 20 is printed in the second zone. C value is 30. 30 is printed in the third zone. And sum is 10 plus 20. 30 plus 30. 60 is printed in the fourth zone. And there is enough gap, sufficient gap in between. So this way we can use the comma in the print statement. Alright. Next is print statement with semicolon. Print statement with semicolon. So when you use a semicolon along with the print statement, all the data items are displayed on the output screen without a gap. There will be no gap in between. Like CLS A equal to 10, let B equal to 20, so let C equal to 30, sum equal to A plus B plus C, print A semicolon B semicolon C semicolon S. Now see, this time comma is not used, semicolon is used. So when we use the semicolon, the output will come together. The gap will not be there. Let us also see this program in QBasic. CLS A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to 30, sum S equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. Now print it. Print A semicolon B semicolon C semicolon S and end of the program. Now execute this program. Press F5. Now see the output. The values are close to each other, not zone wise. 10, 20, 30, 60 are printed close to each other, not printed zone wise. So what is the difference between printing with comma and print with semicolon? When we use the comma, the output comes zone wise, and when we use the semicolon, output comes close to each other. Now the next statement is a rem statement. Rem for remarks. Rem for remarks. Rem statement is used to write remarks about any program, which basically shows the purpose of a program. Rem statement is used to write the remarks about any program. It shows the purpose of a program. It is a non-executable statement. Non-executable statement means the QBasic doesn't give any output. Doesn't give any output of the rem statement. So rem statement is used to write remarks about any program, which basically shows the purpose of a program. It is a non-executable statement. See, what is the syntax of rem statement? Rem comment about the program. For example, CLS rem a program to add two numbers, A equal to 10, B equal to 20, S equal to A plus B, print sum equal to S. So when we run this program, it will print only the value of sum. The rem will not be printed on the screen. Why? It is a non-executable statement, means there is no output of this statement. So in one line, what we can understand, what is a rem statement? It is used to write the remarks about any program. Okay. Next, different options present in the file menu. What are the different options present in the file menu? So I'll show you the file menu. Open QBasic. See the file menu, edit menu, view menu, search menu, run menu, and options. The first is file menu. Options are new, open, save, save as, recent, exit. These are the different options of the file menu. Okay. So what are the different options of the file menu? First is new programs. When you click on the new programs, what happens? It allows the user to clear the working memory for fresh storage of the next program. It removes the old program from the memory for the next program to write. That is a new option. Open program. It allows the user to open an existing program. Existing means old program what was already saved, which is already stored in the main memory of the computer. Next, save as. It allows the user to save the current program in the computer's memory for future use. Whatever program you have typed, if you click on the save as, you can save the programs in the computer's memory, and in the future we can use that program. Print option. It allows the user to get a hard copy of the current program. Hard copy means printed on the paper. Using the printer, we can print the output on a paper. That is called hard copy. Exit. It allows the user to quit QBasic and return to the desktop. Exit means we can close the QBasic. So in today's class, we have learned the print statement, we have learned the rem statement, and different options present in the file menu. Okay, thank you.